Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to tell you about passenger airplane. Passenger airplane includes a cockpit, two levers and one engine lever and two radars with two keypads. And now there are two seats for the pilots to sit, and there is a removable roof, and there are two aisles and one toilet which has a door for going in the toilet. There's a very good door that they have made that we can open it